If a state reports 1,000 positive COVID tests on one day and 2,000 on the next, did the number of cases statewide double? Not unless the same number of tests are administered each day. You see, if the first day's 1,000 positive cases came from a pool of 100,000 tests and the second day's 2,000 came from a pool of 200,000 tests, then the results showed an equal percentage of positive cases. To prevent this confusion, scientists use the positivity rate or percent positive, which shows what percentage of those tested were positive. This positivity rate is the best indicator of the growth or decline of the virus. This is why the Maine CDC used the positivity rate to measure the spread of the virus. In a tweet on November 4, 2020, Dr. Shah cited an uptick in the state's positivity rate as concerning. On November 4, 2020, the positivity rate was the same as it was 4 months earlier on July 8. This is important because July 8 was the day Governor Mills ordered Maine businesses to enforce mask wearing in public. 4 months into the mask wearing order, there was no change in Maine's positivity rate. Perhaps without realizing it, Shah admitted that the mask wearing order had no net effect on the spread of the virus after 4 months. Beginning a month later and over the next several weeks after that, Shah and Governor Mills warned Mainers about the coming holiday surge that would result from family gatherings at Christmas. The CDC's own data showed that there was not only no surge, but a dramatic decline in the positivity rate. From Christmas Day, it would take several days to notice symptoms, get tested, and receive the results. This means people who became infected at a family gathering that day would appear among new cases on January 1st or 2nd. However, instead of any surge, there was basically a collapse in new cases beginning on January 2nd. This did not stop the Mills administration, including the governor herself, from continuing to refer to the holiday surge that never happened. Governor Mills used this imaginary surge to justify extending restriction on Mainers, including the early closure of businesses.
In a sign of progress, as Dr. Shah has noted, Maine is beginning to round the corner on that post-holiday surge of COVID-19.
During the height of the pandemic, Governor Mills continually emphasized that she made all of her important COVID decisions based on the latest science. For example, on November 19, 2020, Governor Mills ordered a 9 p.m. curfew on all bars and restaurants in Maine. On that day, the positivity rate was an unacceptable 4.0%. On January 28, Mills lifted the curfew, citing a drop in new virus cases following the non-existent holiday surge. On that day, the positivity rate was 6.0%. That's 50% higher than it was the day she ordered the curfew.